The Samsung Galaxy S23 series is now official, and here is what you need to know. It consists of 3 models similar to the previous series, the Samsung Galaxy S23, S23 Plus and the top tier S23 Ultra. The S23 Ultra has the less aesthetic upgrade. In fact, it looks identical from far, but it has a slightly wider body and less screen curvature. The S23 and S23 Plus has the most obvious update, where Samsung aligned its design language that now features the same dedicated camera bumps like the S22 Ultra and S23 Ultra. All the Samsung Galaxy S23 series are now protected with Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2 on both front and rear. The trio is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, coupled with 8GB of LPDDR5X memories, and only 12GB memories options given to the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. 128GB storage option will have the UFS 3.1 storage technology, whereby the 256GB and above get the fast and new UFS 4.0. There are no differences in display sizes compared to the previous models. The Galaxy S23 Ultra sports a 6.8-inch QHD Plus AMOLED 2x 120Hz LTPO curved display, whereby the S23 and S23 Plus have a Full HD Plus AMOLED 2x 120Hz refresh rate display with 6.1-inch and 6.6-inch respectively. The highlight of this release is the new upgraded primary cameras on the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, the 200MP Samsung ISOCELL HP2. The tetrapixels on the HP2 is an advanced form of pixel binning technologies that provides greater versatility to the camera. Samsung also introduced dual VTG technologies, DSG and Smart ISO Pro, enabling the S23 Ultra to take the best pictures and videos in normal, low light and brightly lit environment. The sensor is also capable of recording 8K videos at 30 frames per second and 4K HDR videos at 60 frames per second. Paired with a 12MP ultra wide, a 10MP 10x optical zoom that does 100x space zoom, and a 10MP 3x portrait zoom. While the S23 and S23 Plus are equipped with the same camera setup as last year, a 50MP primary camera, a 12MP ultra wide, a 10MP 3x portrait zoom. Or get a 12MP dual pixel front selfie cameras that does autofocus across the board. The Galaxy S23 and S23 Plus get a battery bump of 200mAh, meaning the S23 is now packed with a 3900mAh, while the S23 Plus fitted with 4700mAh. The S23 Ultra remain unchanged at 5000mAh. The S23 Plus and S23 Ultra support 45W Samsung PD fast charging, and the Valina gets 25W fast charging. All support 15W wireless fast charge and 10W wireless power sharing. There's no local pricings at the time I'm editing this video. Pricings, availabilities and promotions will be updated on my website. The link will be in the description box below. I hope to get the review released soon from Samsung Malaysia to check out the new 200MP ISOCELL HP2 camera capabilities and the new yet improved hardware and software. So stay tuned and do subscribe to this channel so you won't miss the reviews. Thank you for watching, take care and I'll see you at the next one.